Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. We continue with Bhramar Geet written by Surdas, who was a 16th century Hindu devotional poet and singer. He is known for his lyrics written in praise of Krishna. They are written in Braj Bhasha, one of the two literary dialects of Hindi. Surdas was a part of the Bhakti movement spreading across the Indian subcontinent. This movement represented spiritual empowerment of the masses. The corresponding spiritual movement of the masses first appeared in the south of India in the 7th century and spread to North India in the 14th to 17th centuries. The genesis of Bhramar Geet poems can be traced to Srimad Bhagavad Puran. According to the narration in the Puran, the inhabitants of Braj could not reconcile with the loss of Krishna to Mathura. The depth of their sorrow knew no bounds. Krishna sent Uddhav to Braj, where he explained the divinity of Krishna to his parents Nand and Yashoda. Uddhav was a class fellow of Krishna as well as a friend. He was conversant with yoga and Brahmagyan and was not even distantly conversant with amor, that is prem, love, affection and devotion, that is bhakti. When the gopis, disturbed with Krishna's departure, inquired of him about Krishna, Uddhav talked of the formless Brahma and yoga. This irritated the gopis, who angrily compared Uddhav with a black bee which flew into the crowd at that moment. That is why the name Brahma Geet. In today's verse that I am discussing, the gopis attack not only Uddhav but Krishna as well. उद्धो भली करी तुम आए, ये बातें कह कह या दुख में ब्रज के लोग हंसाए. You have come to do something right, but you have not. You are making a laughing stock of yourself in this land of Braj. कौन काज वृंदावन को सुख, दही भात की छाक, अब वह कान कबूरी राचे बने एक ही ताक. Krishna has gone to Mathura. He is the king now. He is in love with the woman with her back bent. Why is he going to care for us? He is not interested anymore in the happiness that he derived in Vrindavan. कौन काज वृंदावन को सुख, दही भात की छाक, curds, rice, lassi, milk, he enjoyed here. He doesn't need them in Mathura. मोर मुकुट मुरली पीतांबर पठो सौज हमारी, अपनी जटा जूट अरु मुद्रा लीजे भस्माधारी. All the objects that he used here, Pitambar, the peacock crown, the flute, etc., Krishna has taken away. Ask him to send them back. He has no interest for them. He has sent you to pacify us, to ask us to give up all the pleasures that he gave us in return for matty hair, ashes on our body, vairagya and worship of Nirgun whom nobody has seen ever. We'll return all these messages to him. Ask him to keep them with himself. He is a big man now. He is as fickle as the waters of Yamuna. वे तो बड़े सखा तुम उनके, तुमको सुगम अनीति. All this deviousness comes easily to you because you are a friend of Krishna. Today Krishna is also devious. सूर सबई मति भली श्याम की जमुना जलसों प्रीति. He has lost his wisdom. He is black as the waters of Yamuna and he is as fickle. उद्धव, तुम्हारा आगमन हमारे लिए कष्टकर हुआ है. अपनी इन बातों से, निर्गुण ब्रह्म की उपासना की बातें कर करके तुमने दुखित ब्रजवासियों को हंसा दिया है. हाँ भाई, अब तो कृष्ण मथुरा में राजा बन गए हैं. उन्हें वृंदावन के सुखों से क्या प्रयोजन. हम तो साधारण गांव वाले हैं, गाय चराते हैं और वहां वो मथुरा में मेवे, मिठाइयाँ और ना जाने क्या क्या अच्छे अच्छे भोजन करते होंगे. हमारे दूध भात के कलेवा से उनको कहाँ सुख मिलेगा. वो क्यों इसको पसंद करने लगे. और जिस कृष्ण को हम प्रेम करते थे वो तो कुब्जा के प्रेम में लगे हुए हैं. आप और कृष्ण एक ही तरह के हो. हमारी सभी वस्तुएं, पीतांबर, मोर मुकुट, वंशी आदि कृष्ण यहां से ले गए. उन्हें भिजवा दो, वापिस कर दो, क्योंकि वो चीजें अब उन्हें पसंद ना होगी. उन्होंने हमें जो संदेशा भेजा है, भस्म लगाओ, कुंडल पहनो, जटा जूट बढ़ाओ, हमें मान्य नहीं है. तुम दोनों समान प्रकृति के हो. जाओ वापिस, कृष्ण को भेजो या हमारा सामान भेज दो. हमें अब कुछ नहीं चाहिए. Here ends this verse, which is a direct attack on Krishna, rather unusual for the gopis because they were so devoted to Krishna. It can be used as a taunt also, because Brahmar Geet is not only one of the most sublime writings on Virha and Shringar, but is also a unique discussion of Sagun and Nirgun. In the conversation between the gopis and Uddhav, we find a witty repartee and penetrating satire. I end here today. I thank you for visiting this site.